Sphenobaiera is one of the most elegant and revealing plants in the entire history of ginkgo evolution, a genus that lived from the Late Permian through the Triassic, Jurassic, and all the way into the Late Cretaceous. It belonged to the Ginkgoales, the same botanical order that today includes only a single surviving species, Ginkgo biloba. But Sphenobaiera looked even simpler, more primitive, and in many ways more striking than modern ginkgo. The most distinctive feature of this plant was its leaf structure. Instead of having a clear petiole like Ginkgophyte or ginkgots, the leaves of Sphenobaiera rose directly from the branch, widening gradually into a fan-shaped or wedge-shaped blade. This lamina was often split into several narrow, strap-like lobes, each supported by a beautifully ordered pattern of dichotomous venation, where every vein repeatedly divided into two all the way to the leaf margins. This combination of a petiole-less base, fan-shaped geometry, and multiple linear lobes makes Sphenobaiera instantly recognizable in the fossil record. The leaves also show xeromorphic traits under the microscope: thick cuticles, sunken stomata, and reduced surfaces, evidence that this plant lived in seasonally dry or monsoonal Triassic landscapes. The branches likely carried both long shoots with spiral leaf arrangement and short spur shoots that clustered the leaves together, giving the tree an airy, open crown. In life, Sphenobaiera would have appeared as a medium-sized woody tree or large shrub, standing roughly 5 to 15 meters tall, growing alongside early conifers, cycads, seed ferns, and other ginkgophytes. It was part of the broader ecological communities that dominated before flowering plants existed. While its reproductive organs are rarely found attached, they were almost certainly similar to other Ginkgoales, paired ovules on stalks and catkin-like male structures. What makes Sphenobaiera truly fascinating is its evolutionary position. It represents a stage where the characteristic ginkgo leaf form was present, but the plant still carried the simplicity and openness of more ancient ginkgophytes. It lived through multiple geological periods, survived major climate shifts, and witnessed the rise of dinosaurs, conifers, and early gymnosperms. When viewers see this plant, they immediately recognize the ginkgo-like shape, yet they also sense the deeper evolutionary history behind it. Sphenobaiera reminds us that even familiar plants like ginkgo have ancestors stretching far back into the deep past, plants that were once common, widespread, and beautifully adapted to worlds very different from our own.